everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share a haul which is baby haul. This is from Firstcry. So these are the items which I have purchased. So these are the ordered items and I'm going to unbox them and I'm going to show. These are basically warm clothes, and I've bought socks and some nice suits for my baby. So let us start. So this is one set of socks which I had ordered. So this comes in 3 pieces. So here the quality of the socks is very nice, and the print and the color also is very nice. The color did not fade after wash, and it is quite okay. I mean, the size of this particular socks is like too small compared to the other one. I will show you the other one which I bought. The size is same, but in compared to both of the socks, this is like ankle length socks, so it is quite small. It only covers the feet. So if you are buying, I guess you need to buy one size up than your baby's regular size. So this is the print. This is a bunny print, so it's quite nice. So it will last for a long time. So this is the other set of socks. So you can see it is quite big than the other one. So these are two different brands. I will surely mention down what are the brands. So I am just keeping the other socks as well on this one and just showing you. So I have ordered the same set of size for both the brands. So but then this one is quite big and the other one is small. So these are the 6 socks which I have purchased. So the material is very nice. So next I'm going to show you the night suit. This is from the brand Fido. This is also from Firstcry itself. The material is very nice. It is very soft. It is pure cotton, and this one is full sleeves. So it comes with small little pocket here, and here it is like a collar, and it has buttons here. It is front open button, so it is not like it is not like a t-shirt. This one is quite big, so I had to alter this and I had to use this pant. Also is very nice. The material is very nice, guys. This particular brand material is very nice, and this one also is the pant was very big, so I had to alter it. That was the first set, and this one is the second set. This is from the brand Babyhug. So this one is a perfect size, so you won't be able to use this for very long time like the previous one. This is perfect if you're using for 1 or 2 months. You can use this. You'll have to choose one size up for Babyhug brand if you're using for the clothes. So this also is front open and has a collar. So this print is a dino print, and this is also full sleeves. There is no pocket as such, and it is very nice. This is also pure cotton. They have given buttons for this, so the pant also is for correct fitting. So if your baby is a little bit healthy, then you will have to choose a size up for your baby. they have given an extra button because the button I think is misplaced somewhere, so I'll have to use the other button which they have given extra. So this is from the other brand, Teddy. This also is very nice, and this is not full sleeves, this is just half sleeves, and this also is collar neck. This also has a small little pocket here. This is also front open. This material is very nice, the same material as the first suit which I just showed you, the blue one. So this one is perfect size, so I did not alter or anything, I just used how it came. So this one you can use for a long time for your baby. So this is like a perfect size. So this print also is very nice. So after wash also the print did not go, the color did not go. So this is what I bought. These are the sets and the socks. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So see you in my next video. Until then, bye.